Finally, the fitness video I was talking about. A month ago, I had put up a story and asked people to put down their questions regarding fitness. So here we are at Zeus Fitness Club, Mangalore with Israr Pasha, who won a gold medal in Commonwealth Powerlifting Championship, which was held at South Africa 2017, and another gold medal in Asian Bench Press Championship 2019, which was held at Dubai. So let's have a rapid answer section for the questions asked by you. So here it goes. For stomach any solutions, start exercising and also have your diet plan. Don't forget, stop eating junk food. There is no particular exercise that will melt your fat right away. Cardio exercise is something that I tried for 2 months, which I got a transformation from this to this. How to get 6 abs without a workout? I think I have the right idea for that. Put on your workout mat, lay down your head, go to sleep. You'll find your 6 abs in your dreams.
I am the one, the way your son don't need.
Foods that make our body bulk. Include protein-rich meal, rich foods at every meal in the right proportion. Here is a list of all the details you need. Take a screenshot of it.
Ha 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 ha. Next question. Can you put on weight? Bro, you definitely can put on weight. You just need to know the suitable diet for your body. If you have a normal body, then include protein-rich foods in every meal you have and try some muscle building exercise as well.
Why do some people have disc problems after visiting the gym? Because of wrong posture during workouts. समझ रहे हो?
Buyer povatru nak without dieting. Kudroli mandi po.
Yare, setting
It's always about diet and workout. 70% for diet and 30% for workout. That's when things will go well. Is it possible to be fit naturally? Yes. Eat all the food groups in the right proportion. Exercise for at least 150 minutes every week. Avoid junk foods and drink a lot of water and stay hydrated. Are deadlifts really deadly? Of course it is. If you don't do it with proper guidance, you might get your back dead. Big fan. Thanks man. Appreciate that. I really want to know that gym reduces height. Lifting weights stops your height. There is no strong research that tells weightlifting has anything to do with your height. Guy here, Israr Pasha, has been into gym since he was the age of 17. और यहाँ height देखे तो ना समझ रहे हो? What do you think, yoga or gym? My personal preference would be gym, buddy. Gym improves mental health? Absolutely. How can we reduce belly fat? Start exercising, bro. Do our weight increase after stopping gym? No, there's nothing like that. If we don't have our right diet, then that is a problem. Does morning walk help you lose weight? Yes, it does. Walking 1 hour each day can help you burn calories. In a study, 11 moderate weight women lost an average of 17 pounds after 6 months of daily walk. But try having a partner with you while walking because it will cover a longer distance and you'll never know about it. Can home workout be useful to grow muscles? This is me 2 years ago doing home workout. Yeah, doing under expert guidance is necessary. How to get rid of man boobs? There are specific chest workouts such as this and this.
Don't cry to give up, cry to keep going.
Does workout tear our muscles? Yes, if you don't give it rest and let it recover. That is why there is a method that we work out a particular body part once in a week to let it recover. 6 packs in 30 days. Yes, when people take high steroids. If you're a normal human not taking steroids, not taking any drugs to boost the process, it might take a little time, maybe a few more months. How to maintain a daily diet? Speaking of maintaining, if you're from Mangalore, I know just a place that could help you out. Welcome to Diet and Protein. After a heavy workout, the food that we intake is very beneficial for our body. But remember, the intake should be a proper nutritious food. I have subscribed myself with Diet and Protein meals where I don't have to worry about the food that I eat because they take care of it with different dishes every day to not bore my appetite. And the best part about it is I could also get it delivered to my doorsteps. So that's all the questions that I picked from you people. Just remember, it doesn't matter that you join the gym or not. But what needs to be of concern is that we understand that fitness is not a hobby, but it's a need of our body to keep us active in our lives and enables us to make the best in our work. Especially when we are living in an era where cell phones are taking over our lives. So again, I thank Zeus Fitness Club and Israr Pasha for making this video happen. I also thank nutritionist Nourish Cafe and Diet and Protein team for giving us a lot of answers, finally making this video happen. So that's it for today. Until next time.